Namaste and welcome to you in the first session of Research Methodology lecture series. I'm Khagendra Acharya, English faculty at Kathmandu University. This video is prepared as an initiative of Kathmandu University to provide research methodology material online. This first video of research series introduces the idea of research interest to topic selection. The video is targeted for the scholars who are in the initial stage of their research work. I begin with a question that many of you must have faced or will face in the days ahead. What is your research interest? This question to undergraduate students has produced interesting answers. I found them naming the discipline of their study. Those coming from science would say their research interest is science. Coming from engineering, they would say their research interest is engineering. I've also heard a few others naming the domain or sub-domain in their discipline of study. And very few answers from students suggest more focused research interest. You must have noted me using the term focused research interest. What does the term mean? I try to clarify this term with reference to three different disciplines. First, medical sciences. When you say your research interest is medical sciences, it is vague. If the answer is disease, it is more focused. Down the line of disease, there are many subdivisions, and they provide even clearer idea of research interest. If you say diabetes or cancer or Alzheimer's, you are more focused. Down the line of diabetes, there are concerns like management of diabetes, complications related to diabetes. Selection of management brings further down the issues of lifestyle and medication. Down below, there are issues like exercise and diet. Your research interest, exercise and its relation with diabetes is very focused. I provide second example from engineering. Your answer of engineering is research interest is very vague. Within engineering, there are mechanical, civil, material. Saying that my research interest is civil engineering is more focused than saying that your research interest is engineering. Civil engineering further has subdivisions. Down below, environmental engineering, there are solid waste management and water management. And thus, saying that your research interest is solid waste management is more focused than saying your research interest is environmental engineering. Last example from education. Within education, there are a number of issues like classroom dynamics, teaching methods, and student learning. If you say your research interest is student learning, you are already more focused than saying that your research interest is education. Within student learning, there are aspects like learning challenges, role of game in learning, and online learning. Within online learning, there are aspects like perception about online learning, effectiveness of online learning. What are you interested in? For the recap of the idea so far, I'm showing you the slides related to medical sciences, engineering, and education. With reference to these slides, I tried to clarify the notion of focused research interest. I now bring a very important notion. The narrower the research interest, the earlier the research process begins. An important question, thus, is how to narrow down the research interest. I will try to demonstrate this process with reference to the term plant biotechnology, one among 5 main branches of biotechnology. This branch comprises plant tissue culture and DNA technology. Because these two terms come under plant biotechnology, they are terms in lower abstraction, whereas plant biotechnology is a term in higher abstraction. Within the domain of plant tissue culture, we have plant species and nutrient media. These two terms are within the spectrum of plant tissue culture, so they are the terms in lower abstraction. I hope this example will help you go down to lower abstraction and find focused research interest. A sentence of caution is mandatory here. Please do not think that your research interest is the research topic. They are quite different. To proceed from research interest to research topic, your knowledge of a few terms might be useful. Let me introduce them. These terms are scoping reviews, narrative reviews, and recommendations in research works. Generally, the recommendation section of research works state the possible direction in research. If you find the direction matching with your research interest, you can make it your topic of research. Scoping and narrative reviews related to your research interest will provide insight to develop research topic. I'll discuss these reviews in the next lecture series. Towards the end of finalizing the research topic, there are a number of issues to consider. One important issue is conceptual clarity. How clear are you about the concepts you have used in the research? Other factors to take into account include ethical issues, level of expertise, relevance of your research, and availability of the data. I hope your journey from research interest to topic selection will be complete with this video lecture. The next video will focus on literature reviews. Thank you very much for watching this video lecture. See you in the next session.